Simplify. 8.73 into 8.73 into 8.73 plus 4.27 into 4.27 into 4.27 upon 8.73 into 8.73 minus 8.73 into 4.27 plus 4.27 into 4.27. Now, if you see carefully, we can represent the numerator as a cube plus b cube, where a is 8.73 and b is 4.27. Now, the factorization of a cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Now, if you see carefully, the denominator is basically a square minus ab plus b square. 8.73 square minus 8.73 into 4.27 plus 4.27 into 4.27. So therefore, this given equation basically gets transformed into 8.73 plus 4.27 into 8.73 square minus 8.73 into 4.27 plus 4.27 square upon, in the denominator also we have 8.73 square minus 8.73 into 4.27 plus 4.27 square. So this bracket basically gets cancelled out. We just have this addition 8.73 plus 4.27. The addition comes out to be 13. And that is your answer.